Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. And so for today's video we are going to be trying out some outfits inspired by Friends. That's my favorite TV show and I just love all the outfits that they have. This is gonna be fun because first of all, I have high expectations for the editing and the content on this video, but I don't know how it's going to be turned out because I'm doing this alone. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope you guys like the video, and yeah, let's get some inspiration.
You know what? This is not over. We will play you again, and we will win, and you will lose, and you will beg, and we will laugh, and we will take every last dime you have, and you will hate yourselves forever.
What's in the bag?
I don't know, Chandler. Let's take a look.
It's like a skit.
Why, it's dinner for 6, 5 steaks, and an eggplant for Phoebe.
I don't know, dear, just how far we'll go, but I hope here is where I lay low. Trade those late nights for early sunrise, so I have time to look in your eyes.
To our error, we have credited your account for $500. We're sorry for the inconvenience and hope you'll accept this football phone as our free gift. Do you believe this?
Yeah, but it's tough, you know. I got all this built-up flirting energy, and I don't know how to get rid of it. How you doing? Get out!
In Monica's shoe? Wait, he pooped in my shoe? Which one? I don't know. The left one. Which ones? Oh, those little clunky Amish things you think go with everything.
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen, watching TV.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's with the tackling?
What? just touched him and he went over.
Okay, you want to play rough? We can play rough.
Let's get rough.
Maybe an old spinster cook.
Thanks.
Hey, now besides, worst comes to worst, I'll be your boyfriend.
Hey, buddy.
Please tell me you know which one is our baby.
Well, that one has ducks.
Rachel, why don't you start talking first?
All right. I feel that this is totally unjustified. She gave me the green light. I did nothing.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking.
Uh-huh. Oh, my God. Okay. Okay, I'll be there. Huh. That was my agent.
How would you like some tiki death punch?
What's that?
Well, it's rum and...
Okay.
We thought since Phoebe was staying over tonight, we'd have kind of like a slumber party thing. We got some trash.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown.
Oh, it's already closed. Chris gave me the keys to lock up. What is wrong?
I think my marriage is kind of over.
Oh, no. Why?
Because Carol's a lesbian.
Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows.
So that was today's video. I really hope you guys liked it because I put so much effort into this video. It's so hot here in Portugal, and being able to just wear a bunch of winter outfits, I'm dying. But yeah, I seriously hope you liked it because I was very excited to film this video. Now I'm very excited to edit it. But yeah. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. Also to subscribe to the channel and comment on the comment section some ideas for other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do?